In this video, we'll see how Avintras can be used to automate LinkedIn resume downloads and applicant data extraction. This helps reduce the manual effort involved in opening candidate profiles one by one, downloading resumes individually, and updating applicant information manually into Excel sheets. Let us first look at the LinkedIn job posting page from where the resumes and candidate details will be extracted. In a real hiring process, recruiters may receive hundreds of applications for a single role, and manually managing those applications can become repetitive and time-consuming. This workflow helps streamline that entire process automatically. Next, we have the Configuration Excel sheet. This sheet acts as a central place to manage the workflow inputs dynamically. Here, we provide the worksheet name, which in this example is Automation Developers. Depending on the project or hiring role, this worksheet name can be changed dynamically without modifying the workflow itself. This makes the solution reusable for multiple job openings. We also provide the LinkedIn job posting URL inside the config sheet. Instead of hard-coding the URL directly into the workflow, storing it in Excel makes the process more flexible and easier to maintain. Recruiters or business users can simply update the URL in the sheet whenever a new job posting needs to be processed. Now let's look at the Automation Developers worksheet, where all extracted candidate details will be stored. This worksheet contains columns such as applicant name, applicant key, applicant URL, profile URL, location, email, phone number, processed at, error message, page number, applicant number, and other required fields. These columns help organize all applicant information in a structured format. For example, recruiters can later filter candidates based on specific conditions. The error message column is useful for identifying profiles that could not be processed successfully. Now, let's look at the Extract LinkedIn Application Custom node. This node is responsible for handling the complete extraction and resume download process. We pass the job posting URL and the worksheet instance into the node. The job posting URL is dynamically taken from the config sheet, which allows the workflow to work with different LinkedIn job postings easily. The worksheet instance is passed so the extracted data can be written directly into the correct Excel sheet during execution. We also provide the destination folder where the downloaded resumes should be stored. This is useful because resumes can then be organized automatically in a central folder instead of downloading them manually one at a time. The folder path can also be made dynamic depending on the project, client, or hiring requirement. Once the workflow starts executing, it launches the browser automatically and opens the LinkedIn job posting page using the provided URL. The workflow then navigates through each applicant profile one by one. For every applicant, it extracts the required details such as name, profile information, location, email, and phone number, and simultaneously downloads the resume into the specified folder. At the same time, all extracted information is written into the Excel sheet automatically. This eliminates manual data entry and helps ensure consistency across all applicant records. Once all applicants are processed, the workflow completes the extraction and download process successfully. Here, we can see the final Excel sheet populated with all applicant details, while the resumes are stored in the configured download folder. This type of workflow is especially useful for recruiters, HR teams, staffing agencies, and hiring managers who regularly process large volumes of LinkedIn applications. The workflow can also be customized further depending on project requirements. For example, the LinkedIn URL can be changed dynamically. Worksheet names can be modified for different roles, folder paths can be generated automatically, and additional applicant fields can be added if needed. By automating the extraction and resume download process, Avintra helps save time, reduce repetitive manual work, improve data organization, and make candidate management more efficient. This agent is now available with the name LinkedIn Resumes Download in our Agents library for you to clone and customize.